Children, good morning. Let us have a silent prayer. ओके पिछले क्लास में मैंने अक्षरों को पढ़ाया, मात्राओं को पढ़ाया, उनमें जो कुछ विशेषताएं हैं वे भी पढ़ाए, समझे? डू यू फॉलो मी? Then children, next we can learn the lesson. If in your text take the lesson Dukh ka Adhikar, sometimes it may be the first lesson in your text or sometimes it may be the second lesson in your text. In the new edition it is the first lesson and in the old edition it is the second lesson. So you take it first. Ready? Ready children? Take this page. Yashpal. Children, this is the author Yashpal. Author के बारे में about the author I will tell you. Underline the sentences. Underline the sentences which I will also underline here. You should underline the sentence. Clear children? Yes. इसका नाम है यशपाल. यशपाल का जन्म फिरोजपुर छावनी में सन 1903 में हुआ. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. Yashpal ka janma, he was born. Yashpal was born in Firozpur Chhavani in UP, Uttar Pradesh in 1903. He was born in 1903 in Firozpur Chhavani का अर्थ है गाँव, village. Then next sentences यशपाल की प्रमुख कृतियाँ हैं. His notable works. Pramukh Kritiyan. Children, if you don't know the meanings of Hindi words, write at the top with a pencil. Take a pencil also and write at the top. यशपाल की प्रमुख कृतियाँ है देशद्रोही, पार्टी कामरेड, झूठा सच आदि. You should write आदि here. यशपाल की प्रमुख कृतियाँ है देशद्रोही, पार्टी कामरेड. His notable works are देशद्रोही, पार्टी कामरेड, दादा काम झूठा सच. Then next sentence मेरी तेरी उसकी बात पर यशपाल को साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार मिला. He got Sahitya Academy Award in his work मेरी तेरी उसकी बात. समझे children? मेरी तेरी उसकी बात. Children, now I am telling you one thing, one suggestion. Whatever I am teaching, I will teach in low method. That means that I will teach. Whenever you got understood, not understood, you can call me. You can send personal message to me also. Then, all what I am teaching, you have to read one time. Understood? And then, this one. प्रस्तुत कहानी देश में फैले अंधविश्वासों और ऊंच नीच के भेदभाव को बेनकाब करते हुए ये करते हैं. Children, you write here करते हैं. प्रस्तुत कहानी इन दिस स्टोरी देश में फैले अंधविश्वासों, अंधविश्वासों मीन्स अनाचारों, अंधविश्वासों और untouchabilities and all, ऊंच नीच, highest, the people who are in high class and low class का बेनकाब करते हैं. बेनकाब करना, point out. Children, if you don't know the meaning, you write. बेनकाब करना, point out or stress. Clear, children? I will read these sentences once more because you are in 9th standard. You have taken Hindi as your optional subject. So you have to write for the question answers. 5-mark questions are there. 5-mark questions. When you start writing the 5-mark question, you have to write about the author also. Author and about the lesson. Clear, children? You have to read this, you have to study this. I am planning to take a test paper for you all every day. Every day when I am coming. Don't worry. I will teach each and everything for you. Whatever you need for a board exam. I am the teacher of 20 years. I have an experience of 20 years. And I know how to teach you for the board exam. So whatever I am telling you, do it. Don't worry about what I will teach you, write and study. That is enough for the board exam. First I told you about the 2-line book. Children, it is just for making your handwriting better. In the board exam, neat handwriting has a special marking also. So, if you have a 2-line book, write in it. Otherwise, leave it. You write in 1-line book. Clear, children? Clear? Then first I will tell the marked sentences. Once more I will read. Once more, twice more I will read. No problem for me. यशपाल का जन्म फिरोजपुर छावनी में सन 1903 में हुआ. यशपाल का जन्म फिरोजपुर छावनी में सन 1903 में हुआ. Children understood the meaning? He was born in Firozpur in 1903. His name is Yashpal. Next, whatever works he had written. The written works are यशपाल की प्रमुख कृतियां है. कृति मीन्स रचना. प्रमुख कृतियां है देशद्रोही, पार्टी कामरेड, दादा कामरेड, छोटा सच. These are the words. You have to just mention the name. When you come to the class, I will explain what are in this, about what they are pointing out in Deshadrohi, Party Comrades, Chota Sach आदि. Then अगला वाक्य है मेरी तेरी उसकी बात पर यशपाल को साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार मिला. साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार इसको इस कृति के लिए मिली. ही हैड वन. मेरी तेरी उसकी बात पर यशपाल को साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार मिला. Then next sentences, underline this. Last paragraph, first sentence. प्रस्तुत कहानी में इन दिस स्टोरी देश में फैले अंधविश्वासों और ऊंच नीच. ऊंच मीन्स हायर क्लास एंड लोअर क्लास. देयर इज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इन हायर क्लास एंड लोअर क्लास, पुअर एंड रिच. एंड ऊंच नीच भेदभाव. भेदभाव का अर्थ है डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का बेनकाब करते हैं. बेनकाब करना, टू पॉइंट आउट, टू एक्सप्लेन, व्याख्या देते हैं. Children, समझे? When you have to write 5-mark questions, you have to specify about the author. You have to write about the author, about the lesson. So you have to write all this. Who is he? And what are the notable works, and what is the lesson is about. Then, this story Dukha ka adhikar. Children, in the picture you see an old lady is sitting here. She is very poor. She is sitting in the footpath. The story is like this. The old lady, she is sitting in the footpath and she is selling watermelon. Not watermelon, pumpkin. Pumpkin she is selling. But here are people around her. But nobody is coming and buying the pumpkin from her. Because one man said that the lady's son, only and one son, died in the farm, where when he was going for plucking pumpkin के लिए खरबूजा कहते हैं, then when he was plucking the pumpkin, he was bitten by a snake. So she was crying bitterly. But the man who was around her was well dressed, and they didn't come and ask why she was crying. The author also was there. Author also was standing there. And she is there not for the money. They are telling that, the people around her are telling that she has greed for money. So the previous day the son died. She is here for making the money by selling pumpkin. But that is not a fact. When the son was bitten by the snake, he felt unconscious at that moment. Then at home, she called the priest to take the poison from his body. The priest wanted Guru Dakshina, but as she is very poor, she have no Guru Dakshina to give. So she gave the rice, the wheat, whatever in the house, she gave as Guru Dakshina for the priest. The son who died have 2 small children, one wife. She is having sick. She has bad temper also. Sick. So the old lady, for meeting the expense, for giving them food and treatment, she is here for selling the pumpkin. So after that, the author who was standing there in the footpath, the well-dressed man, remembers an rich lady that whose son was dead in the neighboring place. He remembers that lady. That lady was in the bed for 2.5 months. Many people are around him. Doctors come and watch how she is and all. She is very rich. But it is not the case of the poor person. In this lesson, Yashpal, the author, distinguished between a matter which is distinguish between a matter which is have when it comes for the rich person or when it comes for the poor person. That is the lesson. Children, clear? Now we will come to the lesson. Children, see. First I will underline the words for dictation. First you have to underline the words which I am marking, and you have to write 5 times in your notebook. The words which I am underlining, the words for dictation. डिक्टेशन के लिए हिंदी में श्रुत लेख कहते हैं. श्रुत लेख. श्रुत मीन्स सुनना, लेख मीन्स टू राइट ना. श्रुत मीन्स सुनना, लेख मीन्स लिखना. सो इसे श्रुत लेख कहते हैं. Then now underline the words. Dukkha. Children, I taught dukkha in the previous class. See how it is written. Dukkha. There is duk, du, ha pronunciation भी है. Duk का अधिकार. Underline the words. Adhikar. Then in the first line, पोशाके विभिन्न श्रेणियों बांट. नेक्स्ट लाइन, दर्जा निश्चित. नेक्स्ट लाइन, दरवाजे. नेक्स्ट लाइन, सेम लाइन, परिस्थिति. परिस्थिति. निचली. अनुभूति. बंधन. अड़चन. Children, all these words you have to write 5 times in your notebook. Note in the back page, in the front page, as continuation what we have done. First you have to write in your notebook स्वराक्षर, व्यंजनाक्षर, रा के 3 रूप, उसकी विशेषताएं. Second day I send in the parents WhatsApp that matra A, whatever I taught, 1 time you have to write. 1. Then now you have to write dictation. The words which I am marking here, write in your mark in your book, textbook, and write 5 times. पतंग. फुटपाथ. खरबूजे. डेलिया. डेलिया. बिक्री. अथेड़ उम्र. खरीदने, खरीदने। मुंह छिपाए, मुंह छिपाए। All words in the lesson. First I will mark for dictation. Clear children? All words I will mark first. First line, taktom, krina, sambandha, vyatha, then बेहया, दाढ़ी खुजाते हुए, दिया सलाई, खसम लुगाई, धर्म ईमान, बेटा बेटी। परचून, परचून। ख्याल करना, सूतक, who is speaking? Who is speaking children? हजार आदमी, पोता here पोता पोती, कचियारी, मुंह अंधेरे, तरावट, सांब, बावली, दान दक्षिणा, कुछ आटा, भगवाना, तो बेटे का नाम है भगवाना, भगवाना, the son's name is भगवाना। जिंदा आदमी, मुर्दे, छनी ककना, परलोग, आंखें पोंछते पोंछते, समेट कर, फफक फफक कर, पत्थर दिल। पुत्र वियोगिनी, पुत्र वियोगिनी, अंदाजा लगाना, संभ्रांत महिला, अढ़ाई मास, who is speaking children? Any doubt? Morcha. Hardam. Sirhane. Two words are there. Hardam, Sirhane. Last word is Sahuliyat. Sahuliyat. Clear, children? These words you have to write in your notebook 5 times each in the front page. As continuation you have to write. First you have we started the lesson. First lesson part 1 दुख का अधिकार. इसके बाद श्रुतलेख शब्द. Here you have to write in your notebook, write part 1 दुख का अधिकार. Underline. Write in neat handwriting. And after उसके बाद लिखना श्रुतलेख शब्द. उसके बाद लिखना इसी प्रकार श्रुत लेख श्रुतलेख. If you don't know the meaning of that Shrudalekh, write in bracket dictation. Whatever you are writing in neat handwriting. Then underline this one and underlined words you should write one time first. 1 विभिन्न. 2 श्रेणियों. 3 बाण. ऐसे प्रकार लिखना. After that you should write 5 times. Each word 5 times. Clear, children? Clear? Whatever you have a 2-line book, you write, you started writing 2-line book, you write, that is good. Then if you have 1-line book that you are writing, no problem, write, continue in it. Then, now we can learn the lesson. दुख का अधिकार. यहाँ अधिकार का अर्थ है समय, टाइम. दुख के लिए भी हमें समय चाहिए. दुख यदि हमें दुख आते तो if we are sad and if we want to take rest after that, we need time for that. दुख के लिए भी, दुख मानकर बैठने के लिए भी एक समय चाहिए. Clear, children? Then we have different dresses, no? The rich person have rich dresses and poor person have poor dresses. Means torn dress or dirty dress, everything. Then that dressing discriminates us, the society. There is a discrimination. Which dress we have worn, that is the credit for us in the society. If we wear a good dress, if we are a well-dressed person, the society will consider us as a good man or woman. मनुष्यों की पोशाकें. Here it is पोशाकें means. पोशाकें means dressing. Children, write the meanings also. मनुष्य की पोशाकें विभिन्न श्रेणियों में. श्रेणी class. The dress dress divides us into many classes. The first sentence meaning is, the dress which we wear divides us into many categories, classes. श्रेणियों, विभिन्न, विभिन्न का अर्थ है डिफरेंट. श्रेणी, क्लासेस. Clear children? प्राय, पोशाक ही, पोशाक means a dress. समाज में, समाज means society. सोसाइटी, समाज, सोसाइटी. मनुष्य का अधिकार, अधिकार का अर्थ है राइट. हियर इट इज आवर क्रेडिट. हियर आवर क्रेडिट, इट डिवाइड्स, इट गिव्स अस द क्रेडिट इन द सोसाइटी. व्हाट? द ड्रेसिंग, द ड्रेस. उसका दर्जा निश्चित करता है. दर्जा का अर्थ है क्लास. चिल्ड्रन, दर्जा का अर्थ है क्लास, राइट. निश्चित करना, टू डिसाइड. इट डिसाइड्स द क्लास. द ड्रेसिंग वी आर वियरिंग डिसाइड्स द क्लास इन द सोसाइटी. निश्चित करना, डिसाइड्स. We will have an interaction, children. So, first you write what I told, no? Write all the underlined words 5 times in your notebook. First you have to write the lesson's name. Part 1, Dukha ka Adhikar, and after that all the dictation words. I will continue the lesson in the next